Mathematics Class 10 Cbse New Syllabus Chapter 4 Quadratic Equations Exercise 4.2 Question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, find the other two sides. If the base is x, then the altitude will be 7 centimeters less than its base. It is also given that the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. Let the base be base of the right triangle is x centimeters. Therefore, according to the question, altitude is equal to 7 centimeters less than the base, that means x minus 7 centimeters. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, x squared plus x minus 7 the whole square is equal to 13 square. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Simplifying the left hand side, we get x squared plus x squared minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 169 over 2x squared minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. 2x squared minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now dividing by 2, we get x squared minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. X squared minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. We had to find out two numbers, say P and Q. The sum is equal to minus 7, the middle term, and the product is to be product of the same numbers, 1 into minus 60, that is equal to minus 60. Since the product of two numbers is negative, they are of different signs. One will be positive and the other will be negative. And again we know that the sum is negative. That means the bigger of the two will be minus. So which are those factors? 1 and 60. If the product is negative, we are going to see the difference. So difference is 59, it's not equal to 7. Then 2 and 30, difference is not 7. 3 and 20, difference is not 7. Then 4 and 15, difference is not 7. 5 and 12, difference is 7. And bigger of the two numbers, that means 12 will be given minus sign, minus 12 and plus 5. X squared minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. From the first two and from the last two, we are going to take common factors, x into x minus 12, and the next bracket should be x minus 12. For that I have to take plus 5 outside. So x minus 12 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 12, x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 is rejected since the side of a triangle cannot be in negative. Thus the length cannot be negative. Length cannot be negative. So when x is equal to 12, x minus 7 is equal to 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. X is equal to 12 means the base is equal to 12 and altitude is equal to x minus 7. Therefore our final answer will be, therefore the base is equal to 12 centimeter and altitude of the right triangle is equal to 5 centimeters. It is very important to write the unit centimeters, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and it is also important to give the reason for the rejection of x is equal to minus 5. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. This is exercise 4.2, question number 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed that on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. The total cost of production on that particular day was rupees 90. Find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was rupees 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. Total cost of production was 90. Find the number of articles and the cost of each article. Let the number of articles be x. Therefore, according to the question, the cost of production of each article is 3 more than twice the number of articles. Therefore, according to the question, cost of production of each article is equal to 3 more than twice the number, 2x plus 3. Total cost is equal to total cost number of articles multiplied by cost of production of each article, that is equal to 90. It is given that the total cost of production was 90. So 2x squared plus 3x is equal to 90, or 2x squared plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Two x squared plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. We have to find out two numbers P and Q so that their sum is equal to plus 3, the middle term, and the very same numbers when we multiply, it will give you 2 multiplied by minus 90, that is equal to minus 180. The product is negative, therefore the numbers are of different signs. One is positive and the other is negative. And the bigger number is positive, that is why the sum of these two numbers is going to be plus 3. Which are those factors? 2 and 90. If the product is negative, we are going to see the difference of the numbers. Then 3 and 60, no. 4 and 45. 12 and 15, yeah, the difference is 3 here. The bigger number should be given plus sign here since the sum is positive. That means the factors are plus 15 and minus 12. 2x squared plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. From the first two, I can take x common. 2x plus 15. The next bracket should be 2x plus 15. For that I have to take minus 6 outside. So x minus 6 into 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6. X is equal to minus 15 by 2. X was a number of articles. So number of articles cannot be negative. Rejected, as the number of articles cannot be negative. Very important to give the reason why we have rejected it. So number of articles is equal to 6. Therefore, number of articles is equal to 6, and the cost of production of each article, cost of production of each article is equal to, that is 2x plus 3, 2 into 6 plus 3, that is equal to rupees 15.